You gotta be frickin' kidding me. This is the coldest winter by far. Well, it's another freezing day, so let's cook another hot meal. This one's gonna take about 10 hours, so you're gonna have to shit the bed to get up early to get it set up. So this is a roast that's supposed to melt in your mouth after 10 hours. Took an onion, chopped it up in big chunks. Could use some big potatoes, I just bought some small ones. Bag of carrots. Your roast, whatever size you want. 2 cans of beef broth. Some minced onion or powdered onion will work. I'm going to add a couple bay leaves. Italian seasoning. And garlic powder. Add the beef broth. Couple bay leaves, half a teaspoon of the onion powder, another half for the garlic, and then another half for the Italian seasoning. Then you can go a quarter or a half a teaspoon of real salt. At this point, we need to add water. Until the roast is covered. Except we're gonna stop right there, not quite over top the roast, because later on I'm still gonna add the onions and potatoes, because if I put them right now for 10 hours, they're gonna be mush. So I'm hoping that I will have enough displacement in there. So you can go 10 hours on low or 5 hours on high. I always prefer to cook on low, it just seems to cook better. Just at the 5-hour mark, gonna start chucking the onions in. Add the potatoes. Looks like we're gonna fit them all. I was a little concerned before because I didn't want it to overflow the top. Oh yeah, 7 minutes left. Oh yeah, that roast is soft. Look at that. Just falling apart. Don't even need to cut it. Shred it. That's what I'm talking about. There we go for the meat and potatoes kind of guy. Fuck yeah, smothered in horseradish. Really need to get a haircut. Been saying that for a while now. Let's try this out. That is so tender. Like it just flakes apart like that. Try little potatoes. Alright, I think it's motherfucking beer time. Since it's so cold out, Chilkoot beer from the Yukon, where it's probably a lot colder than it is right here. Cheers everybody, motherfucking beer time. Here at Bullshit Corner, I like to keep the Bachelor meals simple to make. We don't got all the time to be pissing around cooking a meal for ourselves. We have better things to do, like drinking beer, fucking jerking it. Anyways, if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Bachelor Cooking. Oh yeah.